Hello everyone, this is part 2 of that adventure in northern Wisconsin, and unfortunately it did not end well. I have no idea how it happened, but in my rear driver's side tire, I got like a gash inside of it that, well, you'll see me repairing it later. I shouldn't even say repairing it. Getting it such that it would hold air so I could drive it home on the trailer okay. But so I'm putzing around here in this water. This water is about, I'd say, about 3 feet deep. Below that 3-foot mark, it's all muck. So it's like you wouldn't want to walk in this. And I think what happened is, I'll bet you that there was some hunk of metal or something in here that somebody might have left in for a pier or something. Maybe it happened when I was backing up as I was playing on the ice. It's kind of cool to watch this. You can see right now I'm floating on icebergs, and the whole iceberg's kind of turning, and then will actually fall off of it and then kind of plop into the water. Kind of cool. I believe I was backing up like this when I put the gash in the tire. The reason for that is the gash is coming in from the rear and then going towards the front. So I believe that happened when I was backing up. And I did not even know that I had put a hole in the tire until I got to the top of the hill, because I thought that I was spinning going up the hill, when in fact it was just because the tires were so low. And if you see right there when I'm spinning, those tires are pretty full. So I don't know when I did that. It must have been at the very end. The air doesn't really go out very quickly inside of the tires. I was able to just fill them up when I went up to the top, so it wouldn't have been something that would have stranded me or been a big issue. And you'll see the hassle that I kind of went through trying to figure out how to repair it here in just a little bit. Sherps are incredible, though. They can just do things that other vehicles cannot. What else can drive through the water like that, through broken ice chunks, hit the ice again, then pop right back up and just keep right on going? I don't know of anything. Absolutely love it. It's disappointing that I did get that hole in the tire, but I kind of expected that. If you remember, that's why I kind of purchased that trailer. So anyhow, from here, from the water, you have to drive up a very steep hill to get up to the top. And again, because those tires were so low, it just felt kind of weird going up. I thought I was actually spinning. I wasn't spinning at all. And here I am, discovering the hole.
So unfortunately, I had my first issue right here. This part right here just busted. So I am going to use the Stop and Go pocket tire plugger, which is one of my favorite tools that exists in the whole world. All you do is pull this little top piece off, take one of these little mushroom heads here, and these mushroom heads are kind of unique. Not like a typical tire repair kit. I think these are absolutely fantastic. They got a little bit of a grease on them, but what happens is you push this in right here into the tire and then pull it out, and then that will stop it. So what you do, you put this Allen wrench in here and you remove that little plunger there, pull it all the way back, go to the bottom, and you shove this in here like that. Then you take this and put it over the top of it. So that mushroom is in there right now. You push this into the hole, like so. we squeeze that back in through.
So long story short, this did not work for this particular application. It works great for motorcycle, car, those types of tires, but this was too big of a hole. I ended up using the Sherp Tire kit that actually came with it. But right here at the end, it's kind of a nice thing that does come within this whole kit, is you get a nice little razor blade that you can use to cut off the excess that's being pulled out of the bag, the outside of the tire. And it works well. You cut it off slick, close to the tire, and it lasts. But it was a little too much for this tire on the Sherp.
So eventually I went into the old style and put those in, like the traditional style, whatever you call them, patches, sticks. Now we're just burning them a little bit, hoping that that's going to kind of melt it to the tire. The other ones work, but it's a little bit bigger than I thought it was, the hole. As I push on them, issues. This seems to be helping. Keep going. Well, that's the end result. What we did. Is it perfect? Hell no, but I hope it holds on the way home, because if it doesn't hold on the way home, the issue is the tires flatten down and they are too wide for the trailer. But we'll see. I don't think she's leaking. And I think that she will last, but time will tell. Well, rather unfortunate way to end the day with that tire. I'm just going to switch it out and then probably put an internal patch on. That's the reason I bought that trailer, because I knew this was going to happen one of these days. Not sure what I actually did that on, whether I did it on the ice or if it was going through all of those trees. No idea. Maybe there's something on the inside of the tire and that'll give us a clue.
So I found some more footage of my phone that I thought I would include here. I love it when you're going up on ice that's starting to get rotten like this right now, and you're taking off these big sheets of ice. It's just really cool the way that it reacts. Had a great weekend, had a lot of fun, even though I did end up with that hole in the tire. I'm in the process right now of repairing that. There will be a video coming on that soon. Not exactly sure when that'll be, but when it is, check it out, please. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. Hope all's going well. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.